You keep saying you don't believe I'm hungry because I ate a plate 5 minutes ago. You've been hanging around with skinny people. Have a plate and let your belly grow. Food is made for eating, and eating's what I'll do. I guarantee that at a buffet, I could out-eat you. You keep lying about your appetite. You said you could eat all night, but you only managed to have seconds. Around these parts, that just ain't right. Food is made for eating, and eating's what I'll do. If I get hungry enough, I might have to eat you. You keep eating where you shouldn't be eating. Places where you only get one plate. You'd better start eating more than that. If with me you want a date. 'Cause food is made for eating. It's serious business. If you have enough leftovers, I'll clean up the rest.